Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Chief Financial Officer Services, a new opportunity for accountants and advisors. The recent announcement by ASIC of the first group of crowdsourced funding intermediaries has highlighted the opportunities that forward-thinking accountants will now be able to capitalise on as companies who are going to aim to raise capital as crowdsourced funding companies and early stage innovation companies will undoubtedly face the question from potential investors and the crowdsourced funding intermediaries: who is your chief financial officer? Now, many of these companies will not wish to appoint a full-time accountant to the chief financial officer role within their organisation. So it presents a fantastic opportunity for forward-thinking accounting firms to be able to offer a virtual chief financial officer service, not only to companies that aspire and hopefully succeed in being a crowdsourced funding company and an early stage innovation company, but other businesses that have a vision for the future. They want to aspire to grow, and generally every business with a turnover over $3 million should at least be targeted to offer a chief financial officer service to them. The technology and communications now available in Australia basically enable an accountancy business to provide a chief financial officer service to clients situated anywhere in this country. At ESS BIZTOOLS, we have developed a chief financial officer package based on my own personal experience, having been a chief financial officer, company secretary of a listed public company, to enable firms that are using our package to be able to clearly evaluate the type of services that you're able to provide to your client. So the material is divided into a number of sections: compliance function, which is primarily taxation; the financial function, which is looking at things like cost control, capital expenditure, management financial accounts, not taxation financial accounts, but broken down so that management can use them, analysis of accounts, key performance indicators, benchmarking; communications function, information technology, human resources, finance and treasury functions, dealing with banks or finance companies, etc. Risk management, budgets and cash flow forecasts, the working capital requirements of the business, and government grants. Business performance and growth would cover obviously business performance, but also customers. What can the financial team do to improve the business's relationship with its customers? The selling function. Are enough financial reports being supplied back to the salespeople to help them undertake their task? Business valuations, research and development, investment readiness if the company is looking to raise capital as a crowdsourced funding company, early stage innovation company, or Section 708 of the Corporations Code. The next segment is company secretarial, which is looking at things like corporate governance, directors, servicing directors in a company, the company's secretarial duties. Our system also includes some specific packages that have been prepared on a standardised basis that we've called a gold package, a silver package, and a bronze package. And we also have some specific packages for chief financial officers in specific industries: retail, trades, professions, tourism, hotels, motels. So I would invite you to visit our site www.essbiztools.com.au to have a good look at the packages which we have available to assist your firm to deliver Chief Financial Officer services to your clients. We also have a special webinar on Chief Financial Officer Services, the opportunities that are available to accountants, on Wednesday the 7th of March at 11:30 a.m. AEST. Please go to our website to register for that webinar. As always, if you have any questions, please send us an email. Have a great day. Goodbye.